Here I have MAXCOM MS456 and let me show you how to enable the mobile hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's unlock the screen, let's tap apps icon, then let's find and select the settings. Here you have to find and select the more under wireless and networks. Let's tap it, choose Tetric and portable hotspot, and here you can tap on Wi-Fi hotspot. Let's enable the Wi-Fi hotspot by using this switcher right here, and the Wi-Fi hotspot is enabled right now. Now you can use this hotspot. You can also set up the hotspot by choosing setup Wi-Fi hotspot options. Here you can choose the network name, security type, password. Right now you are using the following one. You have to know that the password must contain at least 8 characters. You can also reset the following settings or change the maximum number of connected users. If you change something, let's tap save. If not, let's choose cancel. You can also here read the connected user list and blocked user list. If you would like to disable this mode, let's use the same switcher. And now let's go back and you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.